What is going on, guys? Joe here with the Mustang. If you're watching this, it's about a day or so after our burnout video recording, so I'm going to swap back over to the Eagle F1 tires and the Saleen wheels, and then I'm going to head to AutoZone for some supplies for today's video. Now, I think it's going to be a little bit more uneventful today just because, well, Michigan's weather didn't really play nice today. Okay. So, we do have liftoff now. There's no way with the super tiny stock tires and the kind of poor air inflation of them. There's kind of no way I'm getting the jack, any jack, under the diff. So, old school, jacking point style. Alright, so catching you guys about 30 minutes, now 30 minutes after. The second jack that I had didn't lift up the car high enough to get the other rims on, so I had to do a little bit of creative problem solving, but both on. Mustang's ready to go, and probably do a little driving time lapse and then catch you guys at AutoZone. Hey, Matt's here. Well, just got to AutoZone, so I guess catch you guys inside when I'm getting the supplies. Unfortunately, no gloss black wheel paint. Here's a little trick for you guys, something my buddies and I have used in the past. Suspension paint, or chassis. Has the exact same specs as the wheel paint, and functions without primer, and looks pretty decent, you know, if it's not a show car. Alright, just getting out of AutoZone. So, you guys probably haven't noticed, but if you look at my Saleen wheels, now this one looks smooth as hell. I mean, it's dirty right now, but that one's painted, and all three of the other ones are not. I picked them up pretty cheap, you know, good deal, but they were in rough condition. Just got some paint. I already have sandpaper. I'm gonna scuff them up, paint them, and then they'll all look nice. Hey, catching you back a day later at Matt's house.
What's up?
Got the Mustang, about to jack it up, take the rims off, and paint them. Picking it up a day later because it got pretty cold the other night when I was planning on painting the rims. And if I want a quality paint job, then gotta wait till it's a little bit warmer. And this is one of the last warm days of the year, so let's get to it. All right, Matt and I just got the rims off the car. About to sand them down, scuff them up, and throw a coat of paint on them.
Okay, so we're going to start off by sanding these wheels down with 400 grit sandpaper, and then after that we're going to get it a little scrubbed down with some Scotch-Brite pads. And after that, once we get them all cleaned up, we can throw a coat of paint on them.
Just put down the first coat on the first rim. Matt's working on sanding the second out of the three that we're doing. This is what it looks like so far. I'm expecting good things. All right, guys, well, the wheels are painted. However, it's getting pretty late, so probably not gonna film putting them on the car, but I will catch you in the morning just to see how they held up. All right, picking this back up at my house the next morning. Got the Saleen rims on. I'll paint it up, and I think they look pretty good. I'm gonna put a side-by-side in the video, probably in the thumbnail too, and probably gonna be the end of this video. Guess just end it with a little poll.